Welcome, dear student. In the previous classes, we studied about the interest on loan. In today, we will know how to calculate interest on loan while there is no partnership deed. So, dear student, first I am reading this question. A and B are partner in a firm sharing profit in ratio 3:2. They had advance loan to the firm of rupees 30,000 in their profit sharing ratio. On 1st October 2018, the partnership deed is silent on interest on loan. Partnership deed is silent on interest on loan from partners. Calculate interest payable by the firm to the partners. So, dear students, here partnership deed is silent, and you know that when partnership deed is silent, we have to calculate interest at the rate of 6%. So, dear students, we know that part C. There are two partners A A and B are two partners. They are sharing the profit and loss in 3:2. They both have advance loan. They had advance loan to the firm of rupees 30,000. So, and they advance loan on 1st October 2018. So, how much of interest payable? We have to calculate interest payable. So, dear student, for calculating A, loan amount is rupees 30,000. Their A ratio is 3:2. It means we have to do 3 plus 2. How much? 5. We have to write this 5 in denominator and write this 3 in numerator. It means that A share is 3 out of 5. B 30,000, same 3 plus 2 5, we have write in denominator, and B share is 2 for the 6 month, because they advance loan to the firm in their profit sharing ratio on 1st October 2018. So 1st October 2018, from October to 31st March, October, November, December, January, Feb, March complete. So 6 month loan. 6 month loan. 30,000 on this ratio, 6 months, and at which percent? 6%. Similarly, 6 upon 12 into 6 upon 100. When we do the calculation of this, these two zero this 20, 61, 62, 23, 56, 3 3 the 9, 9 6 the 54. It's 60. So 60 into 9, this one is 540. These 20, these 20, 5, 60, into 2, into 6, into 6, 360. So dear student, interest payable to A, amount of rupees 540, and interest payable to B on 30,000 loan, amount to rupees 360. It is very easy question. Right. Now come to the second question. X and Y are partners, sharing profit and loss 2:3, with a capital of rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively on 1st October 2018. X and Y give loan of rupees 80,000 and rupees 40,000 respectively to the firm. Okay. Dear students, in this question, X and Y provide loan to the firm of rupees 80,000 and 40,000 respectively. So we have two cases. In first case, if profit before interest for the year amount to rupees 21,000. If the firm is getting the profit of rupees 21,000, so how much of the amount of loan, interest on loan, is provided to the partner? So dear students, let me see here. We have total profit of rupees. First we calculate interest on capital, amount of interest. Amount of interest for X and Y. X and Y. X provide a loan of rupees 80,000, while Y provide a loan of rupees 40,000. They sharing profit and loss in 2:3. Similarly, 2 upon 5, 2 upon, 2:3. This. They provide a loan on 1st October 2018. It means 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. Again, no partnership deed. So 6%. 6%. Now calculate the amount. Here we get 2400 and 1200. The total amount of interest we have to pay X and Y of rupees 3600. Total amount 3600. Now we having the profit. In first case we having the profit of rupees 2100. So from this profit we have to pay the interest of rupees 3600. So remaining amount, a remaining profit, two one minus 3600. How much the amount is left? 17,400. Now these 17,400 distributed same, which we have learnt in the previous question. Again 17,400 into 4x, 17,400 into 6 upon 12 into 6% on 2:3. The amount will be 6960. 6960. We don't have a space, so we do here in second. For y, same 17,400 into 6 upon 12 for 6 months, 6% on 3:2. So the calculation of this will be 10,440. 10,440. So dear student, calculate this from your calculator, but keep in mind that do practice, because you are not allowed to use calculator. Now come to the second point. Profit before interest for the amount 2 rupees. In this case, we have the total profit of rupees 3,000. But dear student, you are seeing that you have to pay the interest of rupees 3600. It means that you are going on loss. Because you having the total profit of rupees 3,000 and you have to pay interest 3600. It means that there will be the shortage of rupees 600. So it means that you having a loss of rupees 600. You have to distribute this loss in their profit sharing ratio. So see, 600 into profit sharing ratio. What is their profit sharing ratio? 2 upon 5 and 600 into 3 upon 5. 12, 240, 360. So dear student, in this question you have two cases in which you are getting the profit of rupees 21,000 and in other you having only the profit of rupees 3,000. Here you get the profit because you have to pay less amount in the form of interest, but in these questions you have to pay the more amount which you have earned in the form of interest. So these are the two questions. In these questions you have only calculation is necessary in this question. So if you having any problem, you can call me. Thank you.